I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to our professional program here at MosquitoCurtains.com, explain why you might care, and how you can get involved. But first, what are mosquito curtains? To put it simply, mosquito curtains are a high-quality, low-cost alternative to traditional screen porches. Think custom-fitted curtains with an overhead tracking system, powerful magnetic doorways, and marine snaps to secure the sides. It's a system that's designed to be totally interchangeable year-round. Our insect netting is completely interchangeable with our clear vinyl winter panels. So regardless what time of year it is, you're going to have something to offer the customer. Concerning our product's ease of use, our methods are far less intrusive than other systems and more suitable to a residential home. Those methods are also adaptable to virtually any residence with oddly shaped angles with no need to frame straight surfaces. And because it's all at an affordable price, you'll still be beating out your local awning companies by a wide margin. To get down to it, installation is pretty simple. Each project takes about 4 to 8 hours, depending on the size, and installers charge whatever they feel is appropriate. It's really up to you. Every now and then, we'll get a customer who just doesn't want to self-install, but you'll earn more money by selling your own projects. In fact, we have one reseller who's done over 400 projects, and now, instead of our label on the product, we put his. Not only does he get that 10% reseller discount, but he also saves money by buying fasteners in bulk. Nothing fancy. No territories, no franchise fees. Working with us is easy, and delivery is fast. That being said, there is a bit of a learning curve, so we'll get you up to speed. Tell me if this scenario sounds familiar to you. This home has mosquito curtains on it, but imagine if it didn't. You're a contractor giving a client an estimate on a traditional screened porch. You pull into the driveway when you see another contractor pull out. Crap. That means competition. So, what do you do? Taking a look at this project, how much would you charge for it? For reference, it's 35 feet wide and 9 feet tall, about 315 square feet. Well, first you'd have to frame around these lathed columns, prime it, paint it, hang a door, and spline the entire thing. How long would it take you? What would you charge? $5,000? $6,000? Maybe more? How much would you make? And when you have everything ready to go, what happens when you give it back to the client? Does the homeowner take the bid away? Does the husband balk at the cost? Does the wife balk because framing around those columns ruins the look of her porch? What if you could offer an option that most contractors aren't aware of? What if it could be easily installed in less than a day? What if, for a project like this, it would cost you less than $1,250 from us and arrives less than a week later? If pricing were up to you, what would you charge? 25%? 50%? Even at 100%, you'd still likely beat the competition and make the client very happy with savings, quality, and adaptability of a retractable system. You've now differentiated yourself as the smarter, higher value contractor for just a little more work. Maybe the neighbors will want one. Your name is now out there ahead of others because a lot of other contractors just don't bother to research high quality products like you're doing right now. That's the beauty of mosquito curtains. Early on, we get if this is new to you. So let's walk you through a typical reseller scenario. When you get started, we will send you a measurement guide or set up a Zoom call where we will draw on your photos as you watch. Every project is different, and our methods are quite adaptable to unusual situations. There are very few projects that we cannot do, and we are happy to share 21 years of experience to show exactly why that is. Most everything you need to know is on our professionals page that you can access from the homepage at MosquitoCurtains.com, including installation videos and a pricing calculator where you can quote clients on the spot in seconds. We even provide a link to an anonymous website called OutdoorCurtain.com. The website has no company info or pricing, and it's essentially just a photo gallery to share with your clients. Lastly, be sure to fill out the form on our professionals page so we know how to find you in the event that we need an installer. And now, just a quick word from the owner.
Hi, this is Kurt. I'm the owner here at Mosquito Curtains. And this is a quality product. And we have a reputation that we care about. And as one of our professionals, we want you to care too. We both want these planned and installed correctly. So it'll lead to more business, right? So that's all there is to it. Patrick's described the professionals program. We invite you to fill out that form and join the team.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you real soon.